Have to do is I got to bring a cow in. She is planning to have a calf sometimes in the very near future. Well, what's going on here? Why do I have a bunch of animals out? Another snowstorm here. So I'm gonna go take a walk out towards the cows. I gotta go the opposite way. Well, I gotta go into the wind. A nice South American wind is coming at us. Well, we're gonna go venture in there. So me and Willie are going to chase some of the cows. So I only need one cow. I'm almost at the herd right now. Oh, here, hey girls. Oh wow, you get behind the windbreaks here, that sure makes a difference. Now we have no choice. We will need to be going ahead, and we got to walk back. We're going to walk back with the cow. Hello, honeys. Oh, here she is. Shoot. Cows are getting excited now. That'll do. You know, I think that's what's going to happen. We've got the whole works going in. 65H. That's what I need. That's what I want. Just want to bring her closer to the yard. You got some snow around your face. Well, I'm sure glad that the snow didn't miss us. So we got to make sure we have enough. Yeah, that's that last cow that I really need. She's really bagging up. Normally, we don't calve this time of the year. There's about 5 weeks yet to go, but the bull got out, so I'm trying to get that cow in. That's not where I want you to go there, honey. She can go in by the barn. What I need to do is close this gate, so in case she does come in here, we'll try this. Well, we're closer than we were a while ago. Now if she can go by the red barn, I'll be very happy. She's gonna probably make a right over here. Let's see if we can push her. Push her, push her, push her. Let's go. Not what I wanted. Oh, you know what? We're gonna open this gate here. At least I got her in here. Oh man. What a struggle. I said farming would be fun. I'm gonna open this gate up. Okay. Plan is to get this cow going to here. Oh shoot. Willie's gotta come with me. You know what, I don't mind if these cows go in there too. At least I got the cow in there. Tomorrow I can push them out of there. Yeah, they found it. Oh yeah, everybody's excited now. We got some company. So I got the cow in. Got the other two in. I'm not gonna complain about it. I'll try to get the other ones out, maybe. They're not going to be too fond about hanging out here. Oh boy. found her way out. And so did the other ones. Everybody wants to go out now. Well, we're back at it again. We got a little bit of snow. It was really blowing last night. Well, not last night, but yesterday. Temperature's really nice right now, actually. I might be a little bit overdressed for doing any kind of physical work, but I'm planning to be on the tractor with the blower. I'm actually needing to know which way the wind is. I don't have too much smoke coming out of there. So that on an open station tractor, you need to be in a so the wind is away from you. So I'm gonna take the tractor out, and yeah, we only got maybe about 3 inches of snow, but yeah, it's not great. But anyways, we're gonna get that going. Well, March 13th, I'm at the end of the road here. Anyways, that's our driveway there. And you can see we pretty well have any snow we get kind of blows off. I just kind of cleaned it up a little bit here with the snow blower. I wanted to show you this here. These banks are 6 feet high, and it was blowing last night, and there's more snow just in this little bit than what it was on my whole driveway. I know the snow blowers really make a big difference. So it's actually really good. So anyways, I'm gonna clean this out because I've got the bus coming in tomorrow to pick up the kids. So we're just gonna fix all this up and clean it up. That's what we're going to do. But yeah, it's amazing. That tool there is well worth the money, especially when you have a lot of snow. Last year, I think I only used it for 2.5 hours. So we don't get to use it every year. Why did you roll this thing way over here for? I threw in a lot more hay because I've got a dish in here. Huh. This must be ditch hay. It looks like a seat off something. Buddy. What are you doing over here? Slow down. Well, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring a couple of corral panels, put them up over there in the corner, and I'll put the cow and the calf in there. So at least the calf doesn't have to worry about being harassed by the teenagers here. Where are you going? The wrong way. Oh, this thing needs to be repaired. Not today. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the cow and calf here. This way here, I know the calf's like food. All right. So we're going to keep the cow and the calf here for a couple of days at least. At least the calf, he can be a little stronger. And the cow is, she's about 23 months old right now. Well, I got the cow and calf here, away from the replacement heifers, who are just like teenagers, have to mind everybody else's business. Yeah, I'll be fine. Okay, I haven't seen the chickens yet today. They're probably getting a little hungry. I'll leave the tractor here. I can leave the tractor outside because it's plus, it's in the nice plus temperatures now. Well, what's going on here? Why do I have a bunch of animals out? Hey, hey, hey! Oh, that's not good. Oh, the damn gate fell down. Come by. This car's starting to come. Cat, get out of here. Go get those cattle. Come by. Come by. Boy. Ring him up. Lie down. Good boy. That'll do. Boy. Okay.
Today is brought to you by Credit Aid. Worried about your debt? Call 204-987-6890. Credit Aid.